With fall rain finally bringing some relief, fire danger is no longer the top risk for Sky Valley residents. Days after lawmakers sent a letter asking for help to prevent floods and landslides, the Weather Service says flash floods are what they're watching out for.
The Department of Transportation says that they have crews standing by and they've staged supplies so that if we have incidents, they'll be ready to respond quickly. So we're hoping that that means just get it cleaned up and reopen the highway as soon as possible.
Debbie Copple says closures along Highway 2 have put restaurants, bars, and lodging through the ringer.
It's a ripple effect because the industry that supports the lodging industry, so maintenance, on the facilities, cleaning, all of those people have been out of work too.
Debris flows come from an accumulation of everything that you see behind me. Mud, rocks, boulders, trees that all clump together during those heavy rains, and they can travel more than 20 miles per hour. Copple hopes the rain passes safely, and if hazards strike, crews respond quickly.
What we really need is just to keep the highway open, get people out here to support our folks.
With the smoke cleared and leaves changing, she's hopeful people will support Sky Valley by spending time and money here as the area faces its next round of challenges. And for right now, Highway 2 is open. Businesses are open. Of course, emergency managers are going to continue to watch conditions all throughout tonight, and they do expect it to continue to be a concern through the fall and winter. Lawmakers have already asked for support from the U.S. Forest Service to try to help rehabilitate some of those areas of concern for geohazards. We're live along Highway 2. Erica Zucco, King 5 News.